Apple has done it again, but this time with a twist. The iPhone 16e is here, and it promises to deliver a premium experience without the premium price tag. It comes with a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display that delivers true black and vibrant colors. It has a peak brightness of 1200 nits, which is slightly lower than the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro models, but it still offers a great viewing experience. Unlike its more expensive counterparts, it has a 60Hz refresh rate. The design is sleek and durable, featuring IP60 dust and water resistance, along with a matte textured glass back that gives it a premium feel. iPhone 16e is powered by the A18 chip, the same processor found in the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro. The phone also supports Apple Intelligence, allowing you to use AI features like ChatGPT integration, custom emoji generation, and even camera-based object recognition. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 26 hours of video playback, which outperforms both the iPhone 16 and the older iPhone 11. However, it does not support MagSafe, limiting its wireless charging to just 7.5 watts, which can feel a bit slow. If you're looking for faster charging, using the USB-C option is a better choice, although it's not the fastest out there. The camera system includes a single 48MP camera that works like a dual camera setup, allowing for a 2x telephoto mode with a 52mm focal length. You also get Smart HDR5, Night Mode, and Deep Fusion, which help in capturing vibrant colors and detailed images. It can record 4K video at 60 FPS with Dolby Vision, providing excellent video quality with autofocus and stabilization. However, the iPhone 16e does lack some features like an ultra-wide lens, macro photography, cinematic mode, and action mode, which might be missed by photography enthusiasts. Connectivity-wise, the iPhone 16e uses Apple's in-house C1 modem for 5G, which not only provides faster and more efficient performance, but also helps extend battery life. Another interesting feature is the action button that replaces the ring silence switch. This button is customizable, allowing quick access to actions like opening the camera, turning on the flashlight, or starting voice memos. It also integrates with visual intelligence, enabling camera-based object recognition. Apple has priced the iPhone 16e at $599, positioning it as the most affordable option in their lineup, but it's not exactly a budget phone. It sits in a new category, aimed at users who want flagship-like features such as excellent battery life, a powerful camera, and a premium design without paying the high price of a Pro model. This model also marks the end of the SE series, signaling a shift in Apple's strategy to focus on mid-range options rather than lower-priced iPhones. It is perfect for users looking for a balance between affordability and high-end specs. This new category in Apple's lineup is expected to attract a lot of attention and sell well due to its unique positioning. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tech insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.